In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily remove followers on Twitter. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Twitter app. Then hit at your profile picture. And as you can see, I got 21 followers on my Twitter profile. I can add that followers to see the list of all my followers on Twitter. And then if I want to block someone, all I have to do is just go to their profile. Then I can tap at 3 dots and select block. It says that this particular user will no longer be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from them. To block user, hit at block. And now if you go back to our profile right here, you can see that now I have too many followers. That's because I have just blocked one of them. If you want to unblock someone on Twitter, all you have to do is just hit Add Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, and then Mute and Block. That's where you can easily find blocked accounts. You can just get into it, and that will show you the list of all users you have blocked on Twitter. And to unblock someone, you can just hit at that blocked button. Just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.